Guys, welcome back to Selena Thinking Out Loud. Real quick video. I was mowing the lawn and one of my sprinkler heads broke off. Well, actually the riser broke off into the pipe that goes into the ground. I thought I would have to probably dig all this out. I did do search to try to find solutions so I don't have to dig up my grass. And I came across some other gentleman on YouTube. He talked about this plastic riser extractor, but it comes with this little rod in here, and then it has two attachments. This is 1/2 inch and this is a 3/4 attachment. My riser down in here is a 1/2 inch. So you just screw this bottom on like this, and then this little tool is supposed to stick in the actual hole here in the riser. You do have to push a little bit on it to get it really deep into the riser, and then you turn it the opposite way, the counterclockwise way of the way that you would actually put it in the riser. So as you can see, it's finally turning, and then there you go. That's the piece of the riser that was stuck in there that I thought I would have to dig up all this grass to get, but this tool actually works.